Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in at Janil Hair Collection. Today we are not going to learn only how to make these artificial locks, but towards the end of this video we will be installing and uninstalling all that. So good stuff ahead, don't skip anything. So this is the type of hair that I use. You need to unravel it until it's hairy like that. You need moisturizer to moisturize your hand. You need a scissor, and for now I'm going to start making the artificial locks, and this will depend with the size that you want to achieve. So I have to take my scissors, split it like that, and then I'll start tucking in the hair. And when you're doing this, you need to be careful. You need to take your time, and I'm working clockwise and anti-clockwise like I always said. And also like I said earlier, you need to take your time when you're doing this type of locks so that you will come up with something that is neat. So I'm going to be joining the two parts together, that is the black part and the blonde part. That's why I had to split the hair into two, so that where the two parts are joining, it will be let me say it will flow. There won't be a demarcation or a knot, something like that. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. So I'm almost done with the blonde part, the way you're seeing. And thank you so much for always supporting Janil Hair Collection. Here we do more of hair, we do more of artificial locks, and for now I'm going to take the black part, the way you're seeing. Yeah, I'll take that particular size, and again I have to fold it back that way, and then again I'll take the scissor and divide it into two so that a knot won't form, and they will be and they will join perfectly. So for now I'm going to take my my crochet again, and I'll continue tucking in the air. And where the two are joining, you need to take your time, and you have to do it keenly so that it will hold each other like tightly. It will be tightly done the way you are seeing. Take your time, and then from there I'll start now doing the first step of making the artificial locks, that is just roughly to tuck in the hair to form the lock. And then the second step is now tightening all the excess hair above the lock so that your lock will be formed. So we are almost done with the first step. There we go. And for now I'm going in the second step, trying to tuck in all excess hair above the lock, as I'm not doing it too tight, but I just want it to be neat. I hope you are getting me right. And for the first time trying to do this type of locks, it will be hectic, and you will find yourself sticking yourself because your hands are not used to your hands are not used to tucking the hair using the crochet. So you'll find you will be sticking yourself. You will be like, this will be hectic because it's your first time trying. But trust me, if you keep on trying and trying, it will be fun, and you'll want to do this all the time. And yes, I do sell this type of artificial locks. I do love them. I do them most of my time. So if you love this type of hair, just go on my Instagram page and make an order. And for now I'm in the last stage, and palm rolling the hair. Palm rolling is a must because it helps your lock to be straight, and at the same time it helps your locks to be more natural. So bam, there we go. Look at that. That is so need. So I hope you're finding this helpful. I hope you'd love to try. And there are some people who've been sending me their trial, the pictures that they are doing on my Instagram page. Y'all are doing an amazing job. If it's your first time to try this and you've done it perfectly, thumbs up. And for now, I'm going to start. I'm almost done I'm almost done installing the artificial locks. So I use like 3 methods of installing artificial locks, but today I've decided to do it directly the way you're seeing. And this type of installation is very, very protective. You don't need to retouch the locks. You just need to repair around your hairline and you're good to go. And again, if you don't like wax or you don't have time to go under the dryer, just choose this type of method that I'm using. Yeah, again, if you're coming across Janelle for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it counts a lot. And again, don't forget to turn on your notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime and any day that I do upload a video. So from what you're seeing, I'm just installing the artificial locks directly to her hair the way you're seeing. And this is very simple. It's a protective hairstyle. Yeah, it's a protective hairstyle and you can stay with it let me say 2 to 3 months. Yeah, 2 to 3 months. And to the front here and all around her hairline, I've been adding some kinky hair so that so that it will be more protective for her hairline, so that her hair won't break. So I'm going to join the artificial locks that way, the way you're seeing. And afterwards, I'll have to tuck in her natural hair into the locks so that it will be more natural. And there we go. This is so easy and I hope you'd love to try this. And at the same time, I hope you are learning something. I hope you are enjoying watching this type of content that I've decided to share with you guys. And I have a lot of videos that I've done towards the artificial lock, so I'm going to leave all of them in the description box below, so that when you find some time you will go and visit and learn more. So for now, we are almost done, and this was all about today's video. Thank you so much for giving me your attention. Thank you so much for staying with me up to the end, and I hope you are going to give this video thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to leave your comment.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, His body baby, oh, hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, yeah. See, see, I'm a jari leto, I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jari little, I'm a jawale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby, make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me all night long. Bad man. Bossing all the place, them are wanting more. Them are wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them a throw the party. In a me place, them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing all the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. Inna the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. Inna the house, see the man them know.